What's up, YouTube? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you coming back, checking the channel out. I make motorcycle related content, motovlogs, installs, reviews. You know, hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button. Appreciate it, always helps. Yeah, it's been kind of a slow week, not too much going on. Work's been quiet, so, you know, trying to get out here during a weekday. Taking the old iron out here, get used to these new bars and control setup. Yeah, if you haven't seen, I just did an install video on these Keystone bars and the new gauge relocation. And these new grips, which I'm really liking a lot since kind of an upgrade over the old grips. These new ones are a little more cushy, feel better under the hands. And the way the controls sit a little different than the old stock bars, so it took me a little bit just to get used to it, but I think it's working out pretty well. Not much new, just heading out trying to get some lunch. It's been kind of a crazy week. I've been staying up late watching the Stanley Cup Finals here. Finally, after 16 years, brought the cup back home. Right of the open net, time ticks down, the Lightning win the Stanley Cup! They have reached the top of the mountain! They are the Stanley Cup champs! Wow. Yeah, I don't know if you all are hockey fans, but I'm a big hockey fan, and I moved here to Tampa in 2006, so it was a couple years after Tampa won the Stanley Cup in 2004. So, you know, as I've lived here now for a while, I've become a Tampa Bay Lightning fan. So, you know, I've been going to the games since I moved here, and you know, we've had a long history trying to get to the cup. But you know, this year, under all of the craziness of 2020, Tampa fought it out. And man, there were some great games in this series. I mean, but that last game the other night, man, that was just a nail biter. You know, they went up 2-0, and that last period, the last 20 minutes, man, was just sitting on the edge of my seat, just trying to hope they could fight that one out. You know, the last thing I needed was them to go to a Game 7, you know, with the possibility of losing it. But man, they sealed the deal. They shut out the Dallas Stars, and that was just amazing to see. And I had the opportunity last night to go down to the arena and go see the cup in person. Yeah, the team came home last night from Edmonton, and they came straight over to the arena, and they brought the cup, and they came and skated around to a small group of fans. It was just an awesome sight to see. You know, I'm just a huge fan of hockey, and the Stanley Cup is just one of the craziest, hardest sports trophies to win. And the amount of games that they have to play, and they were doing it up in that bubble up in Edmonton and Toronto, with no fans, with no home team support, you know, cheering them on. They fought it out, and they did a great job. It was amazing to see, though. You know, it's just one of those things that you want to see in your lifetime, to see your local sports team, whether you like football, hockey, baseball, basketball, whatever, you know, see them bring home a championship. So yeah, I'm in a good mood. Saw the Stanley Cup. Got to see the team. And they start back up in a couple months anyways, like in December for next year's season, which is crazy. You know, we'll see what the Bucks do this year. I don't know if you follow football as well, but you know, old Tom Brady came down to Tampa this year. Football here has been kind of up and down over the last 10 years. A lot of coaches, a lot of quarterbacks. So, be interested to see what Tom Brady can do this year. You know, kind of a rough start in game one. But, you know, without having like a preseason and just kind of be thrown right into it, I think right now they're 2-1, which is, you know, not bad. You know, what's crazy is the Tampa Bay Rays also made the playoffs, which is crazy too. Yeah, so the Lightning won the Stanley Cup. The Rays are going to the playoffs, and we'll see what Tom Brady can do with the Bucks. This could be a good year. You know, and the Super Bowl is coming to Tampa this year. You know, with all the pandemic stuff going on, you know, we'll see what they do. You know, I can't imagine they're not going to have fans at the Super Bowl, but, you know, it's still months away, so it would be kind of cool if the Bucks could get to the Super Bowl and play home. Yeah, you know, so I'd be curious to hear from you guys what you guys want to see on this channel. You know, I had some thoughts about some upcoming videos. I wanted to start taking some longer trips up to different areas of town. There's some cool stuff down in St. Pete. There's some cool stuff in Tampa. You know, now that things are opening up a little bit more, it's easier to get down. Thought we could do some cool trips, but, you know, if there's anything you want to see, let me know. Hit the comments below. Yeah, and I'll see if I can make it happen. Yeah, I'm gonna head up over here and get some tacos. It's not Tuesday, but is there such thing as a Taco Wednesday? I mean, you can eat tacos every day, man. There's nothing wrong with a good taco. Yeah, but you know, thanks for watching on this little excursion today. It's not much, but you know, I got some more stuff coming up. But as always, you know, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I appreciate the views. I appreciate you sticking around. And as always, you know, keep riding, stay safe, and peace, YouTube. All right, see ya. Who doesn't enjoy a taco? We're here to get some tacos, so I'll see you in a little bit.